Hello everyone, welcome back to my brother's channel Pintu's vlog. Today we are going to Champawati picnic spot. Sai thakiba agoloke aru subscribe share kori diba de. We are now riding to the gorgeous natural beauty of Chapanala forest.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake
Viewers, finally we have reached this beautiful parking ground, damn peaceful.
I wanna wake up.
See, many people are there. बहुत मनो ही से पिकनिक करिबो करने. The beauty of nature of Champawati is very beautiful. The Champawati is also known as Chapanala Fall, and it is located in the Nagaon district of Assam. And do you know guys, this beautiful and serene waterfall is one of the amazing tourists, and also it gives an immense place to everyone who visit here.
So friends, we are now sitting in the middle of the Champawati river and togetherly enjoying the beauty of nature, and you were listening to the lovely voice of my sister. I am thanking her for her lovely cooperation. In next video I'll be trying to reveal her face. Comment kori janabo voice kenekua lagise.
So friends, আমি চাপানালা চাই এতিয়া ওলাই গ'লো যাম এতিয়া এটা হনুমান মন্দিৰলৈ যাওঁ ভালে লাগিছে আৰু আপোনালোকে ভাবিব চাগে পুৰা ভিডিঅ'ত মই নিজৰ মুখ কিয় দেখুৱা নাই একচুৱেলি ইমান ধুনীয়া জেগাত আহিছোঁ এইটো জেগাটো মোৰ মুখতকৈ বহুত ধুনীয়া মই ভাবিছোঁ ইমান ধুনীয়া পিকচাৰটো মোৰ মুখ দেখুৱাই মানে ৱেষ্ট নকৰোঁ সেইকাৰণে মই নিজৰ মুখটো দেখুৱা নাই আৰু
Wait a minute. Who are you?
বোলে চাইডিং বাৰু মাজে মাজে অলপ দেখা পাব দেই এইটো ধুনীয়া নেচাৰেল বেকগ্ৰাউণ্ড আছে
As you all know that my friend, Assam is world famous for its quality of tea as well as the natural beauty of the tea plantation. And you know guys, if you make a visit to the Assam in the month of November, you can be a part of Assam Tea Festival. It is organized by the Assam Tourism and it's a completely unique experience which should not be missed. Okay my dear friends, that's all for today. So see you in the next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, share my brother channel. Spread love. God bless you. Bye bye. Take care.
So friends, it feels like I am in the heaven. Actually, I have studied enough in textbook, but in reality I am enjoying today. So truly blessed to be here. Forget not to follow my Facebook page, Skeptical's Paradise. enjoying the refreshing beauty of tea garden here with me.
So friends, Sapat Bagisa Sabo is it? See, it's a tea garden here. The biggest tea garden ever I have seen. That means I have come here for the first time actually. The view is damn beautiful here. See, everywhere. Green and green. Tea garden here. And I'm standing in the middle of the tea garden here. See? Very beautiful. Means I am so much happy to see this beautiful scenery here. Keep watching. Very beautiful, means I have come for the first time, so happy today.
ইয়ার এনভাইৰমেণ্টেল ষ্টেটটো খুবেই হেল্ডি হ'ব, কাৰণ চাৰিওফালে গ্ৰীণ দূৰ দূৰণিলৈ যিমানলৈকে চাব অনলি টি প্লান্টেশ্যন দেখিব। এয়াৰো পূৰা ফ্ৰেছ হ'ব ইয়াত। চাৰিওফালে ইমান শাৰী শাৰী চাহৰ বাগিচা আছে যেন ইয়াত আকাশে বতাহেও যেন চাহৰ গোন্ধ পোৱা যায়। বহুত ধুনীয়া পৰিৱেশ। Look, the soil of Matipahar becoming more beautiful while the sun is setting.
So friends, now we are going to a Hanuman temple. A Hanuman temple is there, and we will be watching there how beautiful the Hanuman temple is. Just I am wondering how it will be. So I am going, see, up and down zigzag way. I have seen. That is the temple perhaps. Let's go. See, nice one. Water spring is there, see?
When we reached there, it was the time of sun setting. That's why the nature becomes even more beautiful by the gleaming of the sun.
That is the temple, guys. We have reached. It is damn higher. Feeling out of breathing actually. Will die sometime. See, that is the temple, and it is very higher in the mountain. Actually, we are sick of climbing the hills, but though as it is a beautiful place, so how can we stop us from going there? That's why we are visiting though. Feeling damn hungry. See that temple. It's a Hanuman temple. Bajrangbali. Bolok. We'll see the temple now. Yeah, that is the temple. Bajrangbali temple. Here is the temple. Bhole Bajrangbali ji ki. Here is the temple, Bajrangbali. That is the large dome of the temple. My voice are echoing here possibly. So let's take a round. Let's make a round of it. See what are there. Jai Bajrangbali. So, friends, we are actually very tired of climbing the hills. And this temple, it's a Bajrangbali temple, and it's in the top of a hill actually. Some small fountains are also there by the side of the temple. So while climbing this temple, we were feeling like as if we will be out of breath. But as if it is a lovely temple of Bajrangbali, so we thought that we must go there. And finally, we have reached here, and we are sitting in the temple, feeling very thirsty and all. So though feeling blessed that we have visited this temple. And as it is Sunday, actually we have met late while visiting here. We should come a little bit faster. So next time we will be trying to come early in this temple. And beautiful tea garden is there while coming to this temple. So we'll be trying. Hope you are enjoying the videos. Don't skip. Keep watching. Thank you. So this is the backside of the temple. You see, a small fountain is here. See that one. Small fountain. Have you seen that? Coming in between the rocks. See, some bigger rocks are there, and in the middle of those rocks these waters are coming. ভাল লাগিছে দেখি পুরা ফ্রেশ ওয়াটার হয় আৰু সেইদিন চাব এই চাই ল'ব পুৰা ফ্ৰেছ ৱাটাৰ হয় আৰু এইটো মানে খাব পৰা ধৰণৰ পানী হয় মানে তো সেইটোৱে বিউটি হয় আৰু নেচাৰ মানে আপুনি যিমানে ভাগৰি থাকক নহয় নেচাৰৰ মিডলত আহিলে মানে ভাগৰটো নাই হৈ যায় আৰু তো আমি তেনেকুৱা এটা বিউটিফুল বেকগ্ৰাউণ্ডত আছোঁ এতিয়া যিটো খুব ধুনীয়া মানে ভাল লাগি যাব চালে মানে এইটো ৱাটাৰটো হৈছে পাহাৰৰ পৰা অহা আৰু ই আহিছে একদম মন্দিৰৰ তলেৰে আহিছে এই চাই লওক মন্দিৰৰ তলেৰে পাহাৰৰ ওপৰৰ পৰা আহি আছে তো বহুত ধুনীয়া নেক্সট টাইম আমি টাইম ওলাই আহিম এবাৰ